So you bought a Starlink Mini because accessing high-speed internet anywhere you go is something that's really important to you. During your research, you probably came across us. Hi, my name is Sam from Veritas Vans, and today I'm going to go over the top frequently asked questions that people have about our Starlink Mini mount. Let's get into it. So if you don't know, we manufacture the most durable and versatile Starlink Mini mounts right here in the USA. And let's get into the most common questions that people ask about our mount. Number one, the most frequent question that people ask, this is probably top of the list, is does our hardtop interfere with the Starlink signal? The answer is no, it does not. You get high-speed internet through this mount and it also protects it the entire time. How durable is our Starlink Mini mount? So this mount is manufactured from HDPE. This is the same material used in ballistic armor. I've driven over this mount with my truck. I've also hit it with a hammer and it handles the beatings. So this material is really strong. It's precision cut from CNC. So this is really gonna ensure that you protect your expensive Starlink. Can the hardtop be a different color? It can, but we choose and are gonna keep it white because we wanna make sure that your Starlink doesn't overheat. If your Starlink goes over 122 degrees, it starts to have some performance issues. So we keep the hardtop white in order to reflect heat. If we have it any other color, it's just gonna absorb heat and you're gonna have less time being connected. Are the attachments included? The answer is no. We sell our mounts a la carte so you can bundle and pick your perfect mounting option that fits your needs. So all of our mounts come a la carte, and when you check out, you're gonna build it the way that you need it. Does the factory kickstand still work? The answer is yes, it works perfect. It still works when you wanna mount it on your vehicle so you can leave the kickstand on and it will still sit and mount as expected. And when you pop it off, if you're parked underneath a tree, you can go ahead and move your Starlink out and this kickstand is gonna work as intended. Does our mount come with a warranty? We stand by our Starlink products. If it gets damaged, just reach out to us and we'll do our best to help you out. Here's another question we get all the time. How the heck do I mount my Starlink if I have a non-magnetic surface? Let's say you drive a Ford or you drive a side-by-side or you're on a boat and it's a non-magnetic surface. This is where we highly recommend our VHB metal pucks. These come in a pack of 4. You can also choose multiple packs, so you can go all the way up to 20, I believe, if I remember correctly. And so we definitely recommend just getting these, something that even if you don't plan on using all of them, you never know when you're gonna have a vehicle that's non-magnetic and you need to slap it on. So these will work really well. There's VHB on the back and it still has that really strong hold with our magnets. Our suction cups will of course work, but these magnets have 150 pounds of combined holding power. So that's why we always say the magnet mount option when doing it on the outside of your vehicle is the best way to do it. So definitely look into our VHB metal puck. Will the suction cup work on the outside of the vehicle on the roof? The answer is yes. These suction cups are industrial grade suction cups, so they can handle highway speeds no problem. They just work perfectly on glass or any smooth areas. So you just wanna make sure that it is just a really good suction before you go. You can pump down, these are pump suctions. So just make sure that white line is disappeared. When mounting on the outside of your vehicle, we just recommend anytime you hit the road, when you use suction cups, you just always wanna make sure that you have a secure suction before heading down the highway. But these do handle highway speeds no problem when you have a really secure suction for it. How do I remove this mount if I have big fingers? So if you know, our mounts sit really flush. They're a low profile mount whenever you use our magnet mounts. And so even me, I feel like I don't really have that big of fingers, but you can get your hand underneath there, but for some it can be difficult to get underneath there. So this is where our handle comes in handy. If you add this handle, this is an additional accessory that you can get when you check out. This allows you to pop on and off. This makes it so much easier. So definitely recommend looking into our handle. How do I run power inside my vehicle and keep it waterproof? So we see a lot of our customers run power through windows or through the doors. There's a number of different ways that you can really seal off and make sure, but that's not 100% waterproof or water resistant, I should say. So this is more of a DIY approach. But if you are looking to hardwire and keep a cable more permanent, because you probably will use your mount a lot and have your Starlink mounted a lot, we definitely look into getting a marine cable gland. You can pick these up on Amazon and you'll have to drill a hole and set it up yourself, but this is a, again, more DIY approach, but a much better way to keep a waterproof option for running power into your vehicle. How do I hardwire my power? So we sell 50 to 100 feet bare wire, so it has the barrel connection on one side to mount directly into the Starlink, and then on the other side is a bare wire. So if you want to hardwire it into any situation that you want to do, we recommend looking into our long bare wire options that we have at checkout. Can I drive with the Starlink mounted on my vehicle? Yes, that is the purpose of these mounts. Once again, these rubber coated magnets have 150 pounds of holding power. Our industrial grade suction cups will also do the trick. And then we also have options for doing more permanent mounting. But yes, please, you can go down the road with this mount. Just always make sure you have a secure mount before you're hitting the road. Do you ship to fill in the blank? Yes, we ship worldwide. So whenever you go to checkout, you can choose a location that you want to ship to, and you'll get more information there. This is a really big one. Do you offer any discounts? The answer is no. We only offer wholesale and dealership programs. So if you're looking to order your Starlink Mini Mounts in bulk, we can offer bulk discount. All right, and this last one here, it really isn't a frequently asked question, but we thought we'd throw it in for those that don't know. We also offer laser etching. So if you're wanting to add custom etching, your business logo, any sort of specific request that you have, just go ahead and reach out to us and we can get your Starlink Mini customized to fit your personal needs. There you have it. There's the most common questions that we get regarding our Starlink Mini Mounts. Again, my name is Sam. If you have any questions or comments, just shoot them down below. Shoot us a subscribe, a like, a comment, engage with us. We want to hear more from you. But again, thank you so much for your time, and I hope to chat with you soon. How do I take my accessories everywhere with me? So we have our brand new travel case. This one may be looking a little dusty because I've been taking it everywhere with me, but the travel case can fit all of your accessories. It can fit our suction cups, our magnet mounts, your power. It even can fit a laptop inside of it and the Starlink Mini mount. So if you're looking to get connection or internet in a box and bring your internet connection everywhere with you in a nice secure location, definitely recommend looking into our travel case.